Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you how to sign PDFs online using Adobe Sign. Fast, easy, and secure. Whether you are signing contracts, forms, or agreements, this tool makes the whole process smooth and paper-free. Adobe Sign is Adobe's official e-signature uh, solution. You can upload a PDF, place your signature, and even send it to others for signing, all online. No printing, scanning, or faxing, just drag, drop, and sign. To get started, head over to adobe.com/signin. adobe.com/sign, then click enter, or just Google Adobe Sign. You can log in with your Adobe account or sign up for free. Once you are in, select from your device, drag and drop your PDF into the upload box, wait for it load. The document will open in Adobe Editor. Now comes the fun part. Adding your signature, click sign. Choose add signature or draw signature, which you preferred. You can type, draw, or upload your signature. Place it anywhere on the document. Click save and sign, and place it anywhere on your document, like here. You can also add text, check marks, or initials if needed. And you can resize this sign box, drag and drop here. Once you're done, you have two options, like click download to save the signed PDF, or click send to email it directly to someone else for signing. Adobe Sign will even track when the document is opened and signed. Why Adobe Sign? Well, it's legally binding and compliant with major signature laws. It's secure and encrypted. Works on mobile and desktop. Lets you track and manage multiple documents easily. So that's how you sign PDFs online using Adobe Sign in just a few clicks. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. If you want a video comparing Adobe Sign with other tools like DocuSign or Small PDF, Thanks for watching and go get those documents signed.